Of course, this is not the first time we are encountering the len function. When we are using it on the string data type, I said that the len function can also be used not only on the string data type but on any sequential data type. And we just learned that a list is a sequential data type containing some elements. So when a list L is passed as an argument to the len function, as in len, a pair of curly braces enclosing L, where L is any list, the len function returns the number of elements in the list. The len function tends to tell us how many elements are in a list or how many elements are in any sequential data type. So let's look at the example. Example 1, len, pass to it an argument of list containing empty list, and the output is 0, indicating that there's no elements in the empty list. Okay, the list is empty. Why? Because as you can see, it is just a pair of square brackets without any element. So example 2, len, pass to it as an argument is a list of 2, 5, 1, 9, and the output is 4, indication that there are 4 elements in the list given to it as an argument. And example 3, len, pass to it as an argument a list of strings Tecno, Itel, Samsung, and the output is 3, indicating that there are 3 elements in the list passed to the len function as an argument. And example 4, len, pass to it as an argument a list of 63 party true. Here, let me say something. If you see something strange, say something strange, right? Okay, so 63, we all know that is a number. It is not a strange data type. Party, we all know that it is a string, P-A-R-T-Y, in a pair of quotation mark. We all know that this is a string. We don't have problem with that. But what of this true? This true is another data type known as Boolean data type. Okay, we have 2 Boolean data types, 2 false. Okay, so this is a typical demonstration of a list that contains more than one character or more than one element, and the elements are of different data types: number, string, and boolean. Okay, so the output of the len function here is 3, indicating that there are 3 elements in the list. Thank you.